Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got an RCI-2970N2. We're going to do a tune-up report for Edwardo in California. Starting with the power at its minimum, AM mode. Over here in this watt meter, I got 10 watts across the top scale. Minimum, a little bit under 6 watts. Up here to 100 watt scale. Bring the power all the way up. There about 60. My peak power is on a 500 watt slug. There's 200 and 300 right there. Audio, check, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. Okay, and on sideband, audio, check, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. Check, audio. Alright, let's listen to it here real quick. I'll turn that radio on. This radio on AM. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bigger. Okay.